No one tells you what trading actually feels like. They show you profits. They show you charts. They show you success, but they don't show you this. The doubt, the stress, the mental battles happening in silence. So today, let's talk about the reality. The expectation versus reality. When you start trading, it feels exciting. You think, this is it. I found something powerful. I can do this. Every chart looks like an opportunity. Every move feels predictable. But that feeling doesn't last. Because reality hits fast. The first losses. Your first losses don't seem like a big deal. You brush them off. It's part of the game. But then they keep coming. And something changes. You start questioning yourself. Am I doing this right? Is my strategy even working? That's when doubt enters. And once doubt enters, everything becomes harder. The internal conflict. Now every trade feels different. You see your setup, but instead of confidence, you feel hesitation. What if this one fails? So you wait, or you enter late, or worse, you don't take the trade at all. Then it works perfectly. And now frustration kicks in. The emotional roller coaster. Trading becomes a cycle of emotions. You win, you feel unstoppable. You lose, you feel lost. One moment you're confident. The next, you're questioning everything. This emotional swing is exhausting, and no one talks about it. The silent pressure. There's also pressure, not from others, but from yourself. You want results, you want progress, you want proof that this is working. So you push harder, you take more trades, you increase risk, and without realizing it, you make things worse. The turning point. At some point, you hit a breaking point, you're tired, frustrated, confused, and that's where most traders quit. But for some, that's where everything changes, because instead of asking, how do I make more money? They ask, what is actually happening to me? The realization. That's when the truth becomes clear. Trading is not just technical, it's psychological. Legendary trader Jesse Livermore experienced this. He understood the market, but he also understood something deeper. The hardest part of trading is controlling yourself. The shift. Once you understand that, your focus changes. You stop chasing perfect setups. You stop trying to be right. Instead, you focus on discipline, consistency, execution. As trading psychology expert Mark Douglas taught, you don't need to know what will happen next. And that idea removes pressure. What trading really feels like. So what does trading actually feel like? It feels uncertain. It feels uncomfortable. It feels like making decisions without guarantees. It feels like losing and continuing anyway. It feels like showing up, even when confidence is low. But over time, something changes. The emotions don't disappear, but they stop controlling you. Closing. No one tells you this part because it's not glamorous, but it's real. Trading is not just about making money. It's about mastering your reactions. And once you do that, everything changes. Subscribe to Mind Over Markets, because in trading, the real journey isn't on the chart. It's in your mind.